How do you mix green using the Apelles palette? Thank you for the question, Joanna. This is a great subject to cover. A lot of people wonder about this. I even just demonstrated this for my friend the other day. He was modeling for me. He didn't understand how I was mixing the green and he was puzzled by it because obviously I don't have any blue on the palette. So I demonstrated it for him. And although I don't have any blue on the palette, it still blew his mind. So let's get into it. We've got our Apelles palette here. White, black, yellow, red. This is Mars black. That's important. So I just want to spread out the yellow brown here so you can see this very clearly. All I have to do is just add black, and look at this. Right away, we've got a useful green taking form. So this is what I would use as a sort of base. So you see we've got the green already. I mean, that's it. That's all it takes. But you can do some other things with this as well. So you can add black. And this is just going to make it darker. So we get a nice deep green. This would be useful if you're going to make a landscape. Maybe you want to make some trees, and this would be like a shadow color. You can add a little bit of white to it. It's going to make it a little bit more dull. So it's not going to be quite as vibrant, but it will be lighter. So that's what that looks like. Something like this. And you can also use your yellow if you want to, let's say, punch up some of that vibrancy. This is going to be more like a yellow, but this is the highlight if you want a vibrant green. The other thing you can do here, which is why it's very useful to have this green pre-mixed, is you can take this and you can actually blend it with your red, and that's going to give you brown. So just like that, you've got a nice brown color that you can use for some shadows. You can use this in your skin tones. You can use this in a landscape to make, you know, brown rocks or some earthy tones. That's going to be super useful as well. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you want to see next.